All right, everybody, so what we're looking at today is a 2014 Toyota Tundra with the 5.8 liter V8. We are going to be seeing if we can pull out the PCV valve. These are pretty well hidden down in the engine compartment there, and not a lot of videos showing exactly how to pull that thing out, so I thought I'd give a go at it. We're going to be using a 22 millimeter deep socket. I got an extension bar here, 3/8 drive, and of course a bottle of our favorite Dunkel, just to keep things interesting. So we're going to pull off the plastic cap there, and then the actual valve is going to be located at the other end of this hose. So I'm just going to move this one out of the way real quick. Most of these are pretty easy to get off by hand. So once we get that out of the way, we see that we got this foam block in here, and that causes probably the most problems for people. I know the manuals all say that you actually need to remove the intake manifold to get at this thing, but I don't think we need to do that. In fact, I don't even think we need to cut our foam here, because as you can see, it's what we're going for is just right there at the bottom. It's pretty well within reach, so I think we can try to get that sucker out of there. So what I'm going to do, I gotta set you all down here. Oh, maybe over here. We're going to take our needle nose pliers here, and we're going to try to get in there. This one. See if we can pull the hose off first. Okay. So far, so good. Oh, there we go, got it. Not bad. All right, so we'll set the hose aside, and then, so you should be able to see now, I got a pretty clear shot at that little green thing down in there. So let's see if we can attach that in there. Fantastic, that's gonna fit. All right, I'm gonna set you guys back down while I get to wrenching on this thing. See if we can pull that out. Oh, easy. That's already hand tight. Oh, beautiful. So they did manage to get it at just the right angle that I can undo that by hand. Not loose enough yet. Probably not a great idea to grab that with my needle nose pliers, just because the fitting there for where the hose attaches is made out of plastic. All right, now it's completely loose. Dropping in there. I guess most of this system here is built out of plastic, so you want to be careful and not over torque anything when you go to tighten your new valve in there. Another quick note, I went to AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, and O'Reilly's, or well, I ended up calling O'Reilly's before I went in for the drive. None of them actually carried this PCV valve in stock. O'Reilly's had to special order it for me, so they got one waiting for me. I haven't gone and picked it up yet, but it sounds like I don't need it. So, well, I guess my problems aren't from this. I am getting some smoke on startup, so I might have to investigate this a little bit further, hoping the PCV valve would solve my problems. But, well, hold on. Yeah, installation is just going to be the same thing, but backwards, obviously. But there you go, guys. So you can definitely get in there and get this PCV valve out. See the hole down in there, without having to go to all the trouble of removing the intake manifold. All right, see you guys next time.